if the problem had been x plus 2 plus x minus 2, and if you multiply the left by 2, there's only one term, but now on the right, this is a term and this is a term, and you multiply every term on both sides. So you multiply it by 2 and 2. But if it's multiplied, x plus 2 times x minus 2, and you multiply both sides by 2, you multiply either this one or this one, not both. For example, if you have 3 times 2 times 5, do you say 3 times 2 and 3 times 5? Or do you say 3 times 2 is 6 times 5, which is 30? Or you might say 3 times 5 is 15 times 2, which is still 30. You multiply every term, but not every factor. Factors are separated by multiplication, and you choose which one. So now let me make up a problem. Let's say I had, we'll leave the 10y squared equals, I don't know, 1. Let's see. No, I don't want that. Let's see. 10y squared equal x times, I don't know, x plus 2. And if you multiply both sides by 2, that would give you 20y squared equals 2x times an x plus 2. I multiply the 2 right here. So it's a difference between when you have plus sign and when it's multiplication.